This is Aldgate. This is a semi-fast Metropolitan Line train to Chesham. The next station is Liverpool Street. This is Aldgate. This is a semi-fast Metropolitan Line train to Chesham. The next station is Barbican. The rear doors will not open at the next station. Please use other doors. This is an all-station Metropolitan Line train to Northwood. The next station is Finchley Road.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Finchley Road. This is an all-station Metropolitan Line train to Harrow-on-the-Hill. The next station is Wembley Park. This is a Circle Line train to Hammersmith. The next station is Edgware Road. The next station is Northwood. This is Northwood. This is an all-station Metropolitan Line train to Watford. The next station is Moore Park. This is Moore Park. This is an all-station Metropolitan Line train to Watford. The next station is Croxley. The next station is Watford, where this train terminates. Please take your belongings with you when you leave the train. All change. The next station is Moore Park. Change for Metropolitan Line services to Amersham and Chesham.